Finally, I found what I'm looking for here in Thailand. Crickets, grasshopper, frog, worm, dried centipede. Oh. Should I try? Should I try? I think I should try. No. Oh my god, look at the size of this centipede. Twice as long as my index finger.
Oh, I prefer cricket.
Cricket.
Oh, you mix everything.
Oh my god, babe! Ah, okay, we're gonna try this. Mixed insects, fudge, and then a few frogs. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Thank you. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Look at this. Show this, babe. Show this. Oh my god, there's a frog. There's a freaking frog. It smells nice though. Ma, before I try, can you buy me a drink first? We're gonna buy drinks first before we try this. Ay, ma. Ito.
Nagpilit man yan eh.
Ito.
Sorry.
Ayun na dyan.
Pero hindi makahalon.
Crunchy.
Iyo, mas okay man ang lasa ne. Okay ang lasa.
Pag hiniling mo lang kaya. Is there any more grasshopper? Yeah, there's one. Grasshopper. Susunduan din, kuya? Grasshopper o locust?
Ayoko na.
Grasshopper.
Ano kaya sa ano na may itong mga garo-garo. Pakpak.
Mas masarap itong sarudin. I'm gonna try this frog. Baby frog. Baby frog. Let's start with this. Bad. Lasang bilis.
Oh, linis.